Welcome to Goodwill Dancers. In this video, we're going to look at the dance called Cute, Cute, Cute. This is an improver or novice level dance. It's 32 counts, 4 walls. It does have 3 tags, but it's the same tag and it's always done on the same wall. It's an East Coast swing, so you can expect a lot of energy in this dance. It was choreographed by KATHY GURDJIAN, and it's called into the song called Brand New Girlfriend by Steve Holy. So I'm going to start with a little demo, and then we're going to go through the steps one at a time.
Do it again. She said I need some time to find myself. I need a little space to think. And maybe we should start seeing other people. And baby, things are moving way too fast for me. So I picked up what was left of my pride, and I put on my walking shoes, and I got up on that high road, and I did what any gentleman would do. I got a brand new girlfriend. We went and jumped off the deep end, flew out to LA for the weekend, spent the whole day lying on the beach wearing nothing but a smile, playing kissy, kissy, smoochy, smoochy, talking mushy, mushy about nothing. Man, I think I'm on to something, because I feel just like a kid again. I got a brand new girlfriend. I love it when she calls me Buttercup. She laughs as...
There we go. So pretty energetic dance, eh? I think that's one of the reasons that this dance is listed at an improver or novice level. It's more because of the speed. The steps are not complicated. So even if you're a beginner, once you practice it often enough, get used to it working at that speed, you're going to have no problems at all. Okay, so let's take a look at the steps. The first 8 counts. We're going to start with our right leg. We're going to do a cross rock. So we're going to take our right leg, we're going to cross over our left, and then bring our weight back down to our left, onto our left foot. So that's the first 2 counts. So I'm going to just do that a little bit with the count. Just 1, 2. Now what we're going to do is a half turn with the weight on our left leg. We're going to turn right around and face 6 o'clock and go right into a shuffle. Okay, I'm just going to do that again. It's a little hard to do it slow, so if I'm a little wobbly, because I'm doing it slower than I normally would. So I'm going to do cross, rock, half turn, and shuffle. Now often these shuffle with a half turn are done more kind of a shuffling as you turn, and you can do that in this dance as well if that's what you prefer. But the way that the choreographer wrote the dance, she has really asked that we do a half turn and then a shuffle forward. So the end result is going to be exactly the same, but it's going to have a little bit of a different look to it because your turn is going to be much sharper. So let's just do that a little bit again with the counts. So again, starting with our right leg. 1, 2, 3, and 4. On 5, we're going to step forward with our left foot. We're going to do a quarter turn to the right and transfer our weight onto the right on 6. And then we're going to do a cross shuffle going towards the right. So we're going to cross our left over, bring our right over, and our left. Okay, I'm just going to do that a little bit. So we finished our shuffle. On 5, 6, cross shuffle 7 and 8, 7 and 8. So that's the first 8 counts. Let's do those together again. So again, starting with our right leg. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, second 8 counts. We finished. We have our weight on our right leg. Our left is crossed over. We're just going to do a little hop to the right. Little hop. We're going to touch our left toe beside our right foot. We're going to snap our fingers. And the counts for that, we're going to hop on the and 1, 2. We snap our fingers. Then we're going to do the same thing with our left foot, but we're going to do a quarter turn this time. So we're going to turn and hop, touch, and snap our fingers. Okay, let's try that again. So we finished our shuffle across, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. Okay, from here we're going to do 2 triple steps in place. So our first triple step, our weight's on our left, so we have to start it on our right foot. It's going to be 1 and 2, and then we're going to do a quarter turn and do a triple step facing 3 o'clock. Like that. Actually, I did 1 and 2, but it was 5 and 6. So we finished our little hop and snap. And when we do our triple step on the right foot, we're going to also angle our body a little bit, give it a little bit of style. So 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay, let's try that again, just taking after the cross shuffle. So starting with our hop, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay, let's take that from the beginning. So again, starting with our right leg. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Okay, next section. Next section, we do exactly the same thing on the right leg and on the left leg, so that's going to be really easy. We're going to do our rock, step, coaster, step. Same thing on the left. Rock, step, coaster, step. So we do that with the counts. We finished our triple step. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So one more time, and then we'll put the 3 sections together. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, let's start from the beginning. I'm going to do it a little bit quicker because this is a very, very quick dance. So the sooner we get it up to speed, the easier it's going to be to dance it to the music. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, we have one section left. Our last section, we're going to do some toe switches. So we're going to point our right leg to the side. Then we're going to bring it back and point our left leg. Then we're going to bring that back and put our heel in the front. Bring it back, but this time, intuitively, we're going to want to do another heel switch, but we're not going to do that. We're just going to do a little tap, our left toe next to our right foot. So it's going to go like this. It's going to be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, let's do that again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So our weight is on our left leg. Now we're going to do 2 heel touches in the front. 5, 6, and 7, 8, and the dance is over. We're ready to start again. So normally we would start again with our cross rock. But at the very end of the first wall, which is what has brought us to 3 o'clock because we started at noon, is our first tag. So what we're going to do for our tag, we're just going to repeat that last section. So we're going to do our toe and heel and tap and heel, heel and heel, heel and then we're going to start over. So we're going to do that at the end of wall 1, at the end of wall 5, and at the end of wall 9. So every time that we finish a wall at 3 o'clock is when we're going to do our tag. Exactly the same tag. And you're going to hear it in the music as well. There's going to be similar lyrics that are going to lead you to want to do a tag. So let's put all that sections together, and we're going to add the tag on to the end. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Oops, I made a mistake. Let's try that again. I was forgetting my rock step, coaster step. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 as we start over. Okay, let's try facing. Let's try wall 2. I'm going to start facing 3 o'clock. So in this one, there will be no tag at the end of this one because we're not facing 3 o'clock. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. And then we start over. Okay, let's try. We're going to start on wall 3, and we're going to go right into wall 4 without stopping in between. Like I said, there's a lot of, you can hear that I'm catching my breath here. This is a really, really energetic dance. So for any of you who are doing line dancing because you want to get some exercise, this is a dance for it for sure. You're going to feel that you've come out of an aerobics class by the end of it. Okay, let's get started. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, and 7, 8. And 1, 2. There we go. Do we want to try that with the music? Now, like I said, this is a really fast dance. So before trying it with the music, you might want to listen to it a couple times. Go back without the music and practice it over and over and over again until you're really, really comfortable with it. And then when you put the music on, of course, it's going to be a little bit disorienting at first, but just keep going over and over, okay? So let's give it a try with the music this time. We're going to do the full dance. So remember, every time we get to 3 o'clock, we're going to do the tag.
Hungry, she takes me. She said I need some time to find myself.
You'll notice this song has a really, really long intro. It's very, very quiet at the beginning as he talks about his story. We're going to start the dance when the music's going to pick up, and it's going to be on the word girl. He's going to say girlfriend, and it's going to be girl. We're going to do our first step. Also, another thing to point out, at the end of wall 8, there's going to be a tiny little pause, just 2 counts. So we're going to hold back, and then we're going to, wait for the music to start up again. And again on girl.
Got up on that high road, and I did what any gentleman would do. I got a brand new girlfriend. We went and jumped off the deep end. Flew out to LA for the weekend. Spent the whole day lying on the beach wearing nothing but
and here's our tag.
Kissy, kissy, smoochy, smoochy, talking mushy, mushy about nothing. Just like a kid again. I got a brand new girlfriend. I love it when she calls me Buttercup. She laughs and says I left the toilet seat up. She pops the top for me a cold beer and says my buddy's always welcome here. When I get hungry, she takes me out. I'm riding shotgun like a Shih Tzu hound. My tail's a wagging, my tongue's hanging out. It makes me want to shout. I got a brand new girlfriend. We went and jumped off the deep end. Flew out to LA for the weekend. Spent the whole day lying on the beach wearing nothing but a hadn't even told me she loves me yet.
Wait
I
for
got a
it.
brand new girlfriend. We went and jumped off a deep end. We fly to LA for the weekend. Spend the whole day lying on the beach wearing nothing but a
And here's our
smile.
tag.
Kissy, kissy, smoochy, smoochy, talking mushy, mushy about nothing. Man, I think I'm on to something. You know I feel just like a kid again. I got a brand new girlfriend. She makes me feel just like a kid again. I got a brand new girlfriend.
Ooh, so how was that for a great energetic dance? Hope you have a lot of fun with it. See you on the dance floor.